Okay, here we are, 1733, take 2. I'm out here with the truck, playing the CD, YouTube music. Alright. The mileage is that right there. It's what? 142, 641, 2001 Dakota quad cab 4x4 AWD, 4.7 liter motor. I did the I did the search online for this part here, which is, oh, that's right. Okay, let's go through that. Alright, so let's turn the music off, right? Do that. If we turn the ignition, what, 3 times? Wait, I want to be able to see this. So we turn it off, on, off, on, off. There it goes. P0551. Okay, and P done. Yeah, that was it. So that's the only thing. That's the only reason. Pete, that's a. Now I watched these. I watched the 741 YouTube channel guy about that code. All right, and about that code. And on Monday I ordered this part. They asked for my VIN, and the VIN, the 8th number was an N. I think that's right. So I ordered this, got this. Hopefully this is exactly the right part. It's now, what, 7:35? Okay. So we did that, got the ignition on so the alarm don't keep running off. Play some music. Great. Okay, so playing some music. All that. Okay, so now we're going to go out here. Get my, here, I'll just show that. You can't even see it, but there you go. Alright. Okay, so here's this. I've already got 2 wrenches out here. He mentioned an 18 millimeter, and a what? And a 18 and a 22 millimeter. This is probably a 22 millimeter. So I've got another one of those over there. Put this thing on here. I have not started the engine, so I'm going to hopefully put this thing on this tripod and not knock anything over, right? Put that on there. Okay, great. So, oops. Right, so now, is that showing me? No, it does. You can't see anything. Okay, where can I put the tripod so I can see, or y'all can see me as I try to do this? Will that work? Kinda. If we rotate, there it is. And if we lock this in place, all right, so there we go. It's locked. It's relatively steady. So now we got to figure out how to get this connector off. So one thing, see, it's already gooey, nasty, all that. Don't put that up. Put this here. Won't lose it there. So how does this come off? Well, is there a trick to it? Oh God. Well, just pull it off, right? Well, I guess that's the only thing I didn't investigate was how this thing comes off. Feels like there's a little switch up here, but I'm just getting my fingers gooey, and that's the only thing it didn't describe is how the, feels like there's something giving here, but alright, well, okay. Oh, there it goes. Yay, I got it off. Okay, so there's that. And, well, there it is. Can you see that? Can I see it in the view meter? Can you see it? There it is. Okay, great. So it looks like that. It's got goo on it, right? And you can get some paper towels in there. Well, alright. I'm just going to leave that alone. Fine. I'll just leave that there. So now we're going to get the other pre-adjusted, hopefully, wrench on here and hold the one wrench and take this and get that on there and hopefully just break it off. Nope, it's not going to do it. I don't have any room to move the wrench. Let's flip it over. See if we got any room to move the wrench. Well, come on there. There we go. Oh God. Oh my. Well, no wait, what happened? That came off. Okay, here, let's take this off. Make sure we have a good purchase on here. Well. Is that on there? Well. Here we try to rotate the knurls on the adjustable wrench with wearing gloves. That's, I guess, pretty tight. Let's try this again. All I'm going to do is unscrew this thing. Well, okay, there we go. Now, can we get this? God! Oh boy! I think I broke it free. Or, let's see. Yeah, I did. Oh good, it's finger tight. Okay, yay. So. And there it is. It's okay, so it's got a, well, let's see if we can, we didn't, so here's this, right? It's got a big hole there. Well, got a pretty big hole. Alright, so let's get the this one here. Pull the protective cover thing off and just show the difference between the two. Where is it? There we go. So there's that. Here's this one. Okay, so will this camera focus? I'll hold it there. Can you? Alright, well, that's all we know. It's a much tinier little pinhole thing there than this one is, but okay, so let's put this up over there. Carefully, let's see, I want to look at that connector deal. Well, there's nothing, well, I guess it just clips, okay, it just, I see it. Yeah, it's supposed to press down. It's supposed to press down and release the little catch in the little square hole here. So you press down so it releases that little square hole thing in the catch. Alright, that's what I was trying to do. Alright, so here, let's take this and carefully find the hole. Hopefully it's right here. Don't know if I'm getting it. Well, I'm rotating something somewhere down where it should be. Is it not going in? No, of course not. Okay, that is the hole though. There it is. So, yep, there it goes. Now it feels. Oh, that figures. Well, there it is down there. Okay, I believe in the glove box, not the glove box, but the other thing. We have a magnetic picker-upper thing. Let's go get it. Yeah, there it is. Well, boy, I hope this thing is magnetic. Pardon me while I put another pair of gloves on, but I do have a magnetic picker-upper thinger, right? So, let's see if we can come down here and where to go. Oh good, it is magnetic. Oh, lovely. I don't have to go and pick it all up again. So There's that. Get that off of there. This over here. Put this down there. I have another clean glove to put on somewhere. Which one's a clean one? I guess that's not clean. This is clean. Oh, that was dirty. No, that was clean. Okay, great. Throw that down and put this one on. Alright, so fine. So now we're getting the old cheapy keep your hands clean glove back on. That's close enough, right? Okay, so now where'd the thing go? Here's a new one. Alright, so back to fumble fingers and putting this back on. Okay, so well, we're in the hole, I think, right? We're not screwing it in. Okay. Let's try left-handed so we can get our hands down in here. Where's the hole? Right. There's the hole. It's over here. Okay, there's the hole. Let's put the thing on the finger on the end and try to rotate this in. Well, are we going in? We're going in this time, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's in and on. Let's change hands, go back to this hand and rotate that on there. Okay, so let's get the other wrench and put it on here. The new one did come with an O-ring already properly installed, so I'm just gonna, let's see here, can I get enough bite? Well, I have to, okay, that's all I can get there. To flip this over, see if we can get, okay, now, yeah, that's good. I only went fraction of a turn, you saw that. So I don't want to get super tight on here. So that's not coming off, so let's plug in the electrical connector toy thing, all right? And where is it? It's there, so this has to rotate. Alright, just can't do this holding that. Just down over here. Okay, and then just get it. Come on, there you go. Almost. I think that's it. Heard that? Snuck right in place. Great. So now let's go and get your gloves off. Right, and get the thing off the tripod. Right. Just look at this real closely. There's a good view of it. Nicely, purpley. It was only 4 minutes on the other guy's video, but he's been doing this every day. Alright, so there's that. Let's go back over here. And you know what? Let's may want to start the engine. So let's get this stuff out of the engine compartment. Here's that. Here's your magnetic picker-upper finger. Well, there's the other one. I just wanted to run that down. Get that, not this. There we go. There's the old one. Okay, so the old one and that down here. That. The other gloves. What else? Get these pieces. Okay. Get the tripod. Great. Now there's nothing in the engine compartment. All right, fine. And this is a just so we know, it's one of these 2001, right? You can pause it and see it. Okay, enough of that. All right, so nice and clean. All right, let's go fire it up. All right, so I had to get out all my stuff out of the trash tray. So Turn it off and fire it up. Hey, it went away. So, great. Alright, so we're definitely there, right? Let's shut it off and turn it back on. Alright, so fire that up. All the idiot lights go out except for the door ajar and no seatbelt because I'm not going anywhere just yet. Alright, so it's been running for a few seconds. Let's turn it off. Go back through the 3 times for the 1, 2, 3. Oh heck, well, it's still got the code. Well, maybe I have to disconnect the battery. I haven't done that yet, but I may do a battery service because I noticed my terminals are kind of corroded a little bit, right? So, yeah, this one needs to be cleaned, and it's got some rust on, or some corrosion, so we'll do that. The other one is clean, and this is my little battery life extender thing, so it's red, but that's okay. Alright, so yeah, we need to clean that battery terminal. So we'll do that later today or tomorrow, but we won't make a video about that. So good day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Too much fun. Gotta go put this back. Alright, thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye.